Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your money and love reading for the rest of November. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ba ang papasok. Okay, na mga energies, good man or bad man, di ba? So, no filtered. No sugar coating with sugar coated reading. So, yeah, anyway. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, ganun rin po, no, pagdating po sa ating mga charms. Opo. So, yes, meron tayong pangtanggal blockage. Ito po yun ha, yung pangtanggal natin ng blockage, hindi masyadong kita. So ito, pangtanggal ng blockage. So ito naman is yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet and yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so ito yung tagapag-grant ng inyong mga wini-wish, yung mga minamanifest. Ito naman po yung pangtanggal ng MALAS ng alat, panglahatan po, no? So, again, yes, available rin yung ating mga evil eye protection. Pasensya po sa aking boses dahil, yeah, may ubo and sipon pa rin ako. Okay, so, and syempre, hindi tayo magpapawala ng ating cleansing and recharging kit dahil kailangan po yan ng mga charms, okay? So, what's for you, Libra placements? Okay, Libra placements. Okay, for the rest of November. What's for our Libra? Okay, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, Libra. Maraming matatamaan dito. Oo. Stop spending. Why? So, siguro, may kanya-kanyang dahilan. Pero in general, siguro, watch your spending. Okay? Hanggang mag-end ang November, watch your spending. So, what else? Training. Okay. So, mga specific po yan ha, na energies, okay? Na pwedeng dumating bago, yeah, mag-end ang November. Okay. Work abroad. Some of you may chance na magkaroon ng ganitong offer or makaalis na bago mag-end ang November. Okay? So, yeah, for me, some of you, pwedeng doon yung training mo, ganyan. May mga offer na magaganda, no? Libra, what else? What else for Libra? Bago mag-end ang November. Budget. Talagang pinagbabudget ka, iipon ka, stop spending, or maybe watch your spending. So, andyan din yung word na budget. Okay. Iba sa inyo, bago mag-end ng November, pwedeng may mga pag-iipunan, okay? Siguro sa mga papeles, mga ganyan, kasi pwedeng may offer nga to work abroad, parang ganyan. So, you have to sabihin natin, ayusin, no, yung inyong mga tawag dyan, mga papeles, credentials, yan, no, visas, yan, mga ganyan. So, siguro nga, one more. What else for Libra? For the rest of November. Work from home. Okay, work from home. Sa ilalim is vacation. Sino may gusto nito? Ako. Oo, so meron din ditong negotiate. So, work from home. Some of you, pwede yung work from home na ito is, alam nyo, yung, ang tawag dyan, VA. Tama ba, VA? Oo. So, it's like, yeah, kahit nandito ka sa Pinas, you're earning dollars, mga ganyan, you're earning foreign currency, yan, 'di ba? So, kahit sabihin natin kung hindi man ikaw palipad abroad, pwedeng employer mo is ibang lahi, yan, mga ganyan, no? And, yeah, work from home, pwedeng yun nga, VA, tama ba, VA? Visual Assistant. Tama ba? Di ko alam, wala akong idea. So, yun po, ha? Okay, you have to budget, you have to watch your spending, stop or limit your spending bago mag-end ang November. And, yeah, budget, I don't know why. Okay, kanya-kanya yun, pero it's up to you. It's your money. Okay, so, dito muna. Tayo tumungo sa Paro. So, ano bang meron? For Libra placements, I'm hearing Leo. Excuse me. Okay. Libra. The moon, Pisces energy. What's with that? Some of you might be dealing with the Pisces. Lagi ko nakikita yung Pisces sa'yo and ikaw sa reading ng Pisces. So, the moon. Ooh. Meron ditong energy na pwedeng nalulungkot siya and they will reach out. Magme-message siya. That's specific. Okay? Meron din ditong mag-share ng secrets. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw or pwedeng another person. Pwedeng may mag-share ng secrets. Meron din ditong hidden na parang travel. Like, hindi pagsasabi, pero nandun yung pag-alis. Okay? Anong meron sa 8 of Wands na to? Yeah, may mag-share ng secret. The 7 of Swords in reverse. This is clarity. Kasi itong 7 of Swords na to, pag naka-upright, this is secrets. Okay? Lies, deception. Some of you, pwedeng may mag-share about their love, situation with somebody, and I think some of you, this is regarding a secret love affair. Okay? Meron ditong mabubunyag or merong malalaman. I don't know. What else? Temperance in reverse, a Sagittarius, and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Andito yung pagpupumilit or pagpipilit ng isang tao, or it could be a Sagittarius or an earth sign. Okay, we have here 10 of Wands, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Andun yung anger, hatred. Meron ditong taong galit. Okay, the Temperance is here. So, pwedeng this is out of parang impatience, parang ganyan. Andun yung delay. Okay? So, kung ano man to, na pwedeng meron kang hinihintay from a Sagittarius or Earth sign, this is you. So, may chance na parang iinit ang ulo mo dito sa sitwasyon na to, kung ano man yan. Yeah, meron dito kasing nagpapabigat or merong humaharang kung ano man. Some of you, this could be regarding work. Okay? Or, yeah, sa work or kung ano man na parang matagal mo nang hinihintay or pwedeng meron ka nang inaasahan, pwedeng magkaroon pa ng delay, no, bago mag-end ang November. Sana wala, pero yeah, nakakainit ng ulo to. Okay, an offer maybe. Some of you, ikaw itong parang mabwisit ka sa kausap mo kasi hindi sila lagi silang atrasado or pwedeng laging delay, okay, ang reply, or parang feeling mo hindi ka napaprioritize, no? Parang ganyan. What else? Again, the Ten of Wands. Meron ditong parang andun yung outburst, no? Pwedeng, nandun yung parang sasabog yung damdamin, may mga ilalabas na kung anumang mga salita. Some of you, kung ikaw yon, maging pasensyosa ka, madalas sa mga Libra, mababait, pero pag nagalit, yes, 'di ba? Iba. So, andong Ten of Wands, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, I'm hearing somebody will pursue you. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, they will pursue you. Could be somebody wanting forgiveness from you or another chance from you. Parang ganun. Okay? Pwedeng may magpa-pursue, pwedeng may mag-e-effort sa'yo bago mag-end ang November. I don't know who. Okay? Pero itong taong to, gusto nila ng something with you. Okay? Yeah, the person likes you or still like you. So, let's see the person on your mind. Okay, bago mag-end ang November, anong meron? Anong magiging takbuhan, if ever? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Let's see. Libra, the person on your mind, who is this? The Three of Wands. Universe could be a fire sign. So, pwedeng ito ay tumalikod na, tinalikuran mo. Nandun na yung salitang hopeless, hindi na namamag-asa, parang ganyan. Okay, the Knight of Wands, Universe. This is player. Ito yung taong tinalikuran mo kasi napaka player. Cheater. Yeah, see, hopeless. The Star in reversed. The person is not invested sa'yo emotionally. Yeah, nandun yung word na nilaro ka lang or pinaasa ka lang nung taong to, Libra. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Bago mag-end ang November, anong kailangan mong malaman sa taong to? Ooh! Here they are. Pwedeng makita mo, pwedeng mag-reach out to, may something na pwedeng, I'm hearing reconnection. Okay, kung hindi man reconnection, pwedeng unexpected na pagkikita, unexpected na pagme-message, or something na magre-resurface, okay? The King of Swords. May malalaman ka dito, Libra. About the person, about this person. We have here Leo, Aqua. Okay? Some of you, pag may nalaman ka, sabihin nating magsaserve as closure na, kung sakali man. Okay? May malalaman ka dun sa tao. Yeah, katotohanan, something like that. Clarity, closure, kung ano man yung kailangan mo pwedeng maganap bago mag-end ang November. Kung anong kailangan mo from the person. Okay? Kasi may unfinished business yung iba sa inyo. So, matutulungan ka, no? Or sabihin nating may mga masasagot bago mag-end ang November. Mahaba-haba pa. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. So, let's see. Anong tingin sa'yo ng taong to ngayon? Okay. The Page of Pentacles. Pwedeng may mga sinisimulan kang bago. King of Pentacles, Universe. May mga sinisimulan kang bago. And you're turning your back from your person. Ganun ang nakikita niya. Iba dito, ang tingin niya sa'yo is meron ka ng iba. And you're bitter. Oh. Are you bitter, Libra? Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo, ha? Hindi ko sinabing bitter ka. Siyempre, may mga maiinis dito. Wow, ako pa yung bitter, ha? Well, yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Wala tayong magagawa. So, ano ba ang tingin mo sa kanya, Libra? Okay, anong tingin mo sa kanya? Yung energy ng person mo, ang tingin kasi rin sa'yo is somebody na pwedeng inuuna mo na yung sarili mo kasi sa kanila. May ganon. Pwedeng yung bitterness na nakikita ko is coming from them. Okay? Kasi pwedeng nakakaya mo na wala sila. Okay? Mga ganong bagay. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng same gender. Yes. Let's see. Anong tingin mo sa kanya, Libra? The Ace of Pentacles. May mga bago na rin na pinagagawa ngayon. Okay. Oh, tingin mo meron ng iba to? Tingin mo ba may iba na? Or yun yung gusto mong malaman? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito is regarding commitments. Okay? Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may commitment pa tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, hindi mo pa pinapalagpas yun siguro. Or hindi mo pa tinatapos. Kaya siguro may, tawag dyan, unfinished business kayong dalawa. Anyway, in general, itong taong to nakikita mo as somebody na may commitment pa rin pagdating sa'yo. O hindi pa kayo tapos. Yeah. Sa totoo lang, iba sa inyo gusto mo pa rin itong taong to. Yeah. Hindi ko isasantabi yun. Yung iba sa inyo, gusto mo pa rin itong taong to. Kahit sabihin nating ito yung nilayuan mo kasi napaka-player or napaka-cheater. Pero isang message lang sa'yo nito ay wala. Taob. Reply agad. Anyway, so there. So may chance ng pagre-resurface, no, mula dun sa person. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And kung may tanong, message na lang po, no, sa ating FB page. Okay? Iwasan po sa comment section kasi may mga nagre-reply dyan na hindi namin kilala. Hindi po kami nagre-reply sa comment section. Ha? Kahit sabihin yung kapangalan nyo po. Kapangalan mo po kaya po nag-reply kami. Hindi ko rin talagang kinakalimutan sabihin sa inyo na marami talaga tayong nanggagaya. Marami tayong tawag dyan scammers. So, maraming gumagaya sa ating page. Again, hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section kahit makita nyo kahit makita nyo na katulad niya. Katulad magkatulad yung pangalan namin, ganyan. Okay? So, tingnan nyo yung page nung nag-reply sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan nyo yung page kung legit ba, kung makikita mo bang kami talaga yun. Okay? Hindi yung porke kapangalan namin, kami na. Okay po. So, yun, ha? So, all signs. Aries, they like you. Taurus, they want something balance, forgiveness, truth. Okay, Gemini, they're thinking of you. Some of them, they're waiting for you. Cancer, so ayaw na ni Cancer, wala nang focus, pero they're thinking of you. Leo, they want to pursue you. They like you. Virgo, they're not invested emotionally. Andun yung selfishness. Libra, there's another chance with a Libra. Okay. Scorpio, So, kinikip ka ni Scorpio. Even though hindi nila alam kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw, pero kinikip ka niya. Umaasa. Parang ganyan. Sagittarius, they're lowering their guard down. Capricorn, some of them, they have issues. Legal matter, infidelity. Some of them, they're mad. Okay? Aquarius, hindi pa rin makamove on si Aqua. Wanting ng return. Wanting ng pakikipag-ayos or pakikipagbalikan. Pisces. So, see? A Pisces. Some of you, they want another chance. They want a new beginning. Okay? Some of you, kung nililet go ka, or parang wala siyang pakialam ngayon sa inyo, kinikip ka pa rin niya energetically. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may chance na meron kang makikilalang bago, and that's a Pisces. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.